The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Sabine Parish in northwestern Louisiana, central Sabine County in eastern Texas, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Milam, or 23 miles northwest of Toledo Bend Dam, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Milam, Mani, Zwolle, Hemphill, Florien, Fisher, Negreet, Mount Carmel, Belmont, and Columbus. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parish: Sabine, Louisiana, and Sabine, Texas.